Yes, we've already done the hardest part, which is finding each other. And today, our wedding is the beautiful celebration of that. Sabi nga sa Matthew 19:6, so they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. So, love, kahit kailan, hindi kita iiwan. We had fought a lot. We had so many challenges. And after 3 wedding reschedules and cancellations, here we are standing today with the people and family that we love.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance?
Actually, naka 3 cancellations kami ng wedding. Kasi nung una, nagka-problem sa date kasi di na naging available yung date. Tapos nung pangalawa, hindi makakauwi lolo ko, pinapamove. Tapos yung pangatlo, namatay yung kuya niya last year. Naka 1 year lang nung February 16.
Number one masaya dyan, syempre yung family ko, family niya, mga friends namin, nakakasama namin. Si kuya ko na lagi nagpo-push, siya yung nag-push dati sa amin, lagi, kaso wala na siya ngayon. So, kahit wala naman siya ngayon, andyan pa rin siya sa amin. Tumiyak ba? Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, sa effort nyo, sa pagpapalaki sa akin. Love you.
Congratulations, ha? And wala man ako lagi sa tabi mo. You know, buy in prayer. I may not be with you physically, but my spirit is always with you. Alam mo yan, even prayers. Lagi yan, gabi-gabi.
Lahat ng pagsubok, kakayanin kapag nariyan ng Diyos sa inyong pagsasama. Pangako nyo, simula ngayon, mas maging malapit pa kayo sa Diyos. Magdasal, magsimba. Yan din ang ituro ninyo sa inyong pamilya. Lahat kakayanin kapag nariyan ng Diyos sa inyong pagsasama. Sabi nga po nila, it takes two to get married. It takes Gilbert and Haruka to get married. But it takes 3 to stay married. Sino yung pangatlo? Ang Diyos.
God really did His promise. He has truly made everything beautiful in its time. You know what, love? Let me tell you something. I always pray to God na i-bless ka niya sa lahat ng achievement mo, sa lahat ng pangarap mo, na lagi kang gabayan in everything that will make you happy. Then I realized na bakit I don't pray for my success, my dreams, and now I realize maybe it's because I realize kung gaano kita kamahal. Because love, your success is also my success.
Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safely from the sheer welter of your doubts and fears. Won't it hard when the light disappears, and when these words insincere, you'll be safely.
Love, I promise, I will always be your passenger princess. Hindi lang sa sasakyan natin, kundi sa buhay. I am here by your side through it all. Habang pinapatakbo mo ang ating buhay, mananatili ako, sasamahan kita sa bawat kalbaryo at bawat takbang. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ay, sabi na eh. Sabi ko. Asan na yung tissue ko?
Hindi kasi, sabi ni, ang mahal nito eh. Sana pinantagdag mo na lang sa bayarin. Ang mahal nito eh.
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are. And I wouldn't change a thing. Under the moon, all the wishing that we did is coming true. Like I got magic up my sleeve. And you can't fight the moonlight when it's moving in. And the feeling you're giving me, I'm giving in. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see. You bring out the best in me. Can't fight the moonlight, I think it's moving in. The feeling you're giving me, I'm giving it. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see, they can see. You bring out the best in me.
Balang araw masusulat ko kaya ang kanta na bibili ng bahay sa Santa Rosa.
Sasamahan kita sa mga goals mo sa buhay at lagi kitang susuportahan. At ipapromise ko sa iyo na kahit magpatong-patong man ang ating mga problema, maglalaan ako ng oras para sa ating dalawa.
Your achievements is my achievements. You are my knight and shining armor, not in the fairy tale sense, but because I never imagined that I would get married. I never saw myself walk down the aisle, especially after witnessing how marriage doesn't work with others, and that I'm being compared with others. But with you, I've learned to believe that love can be strong and lasting. And you made me feel and believe that it's possible.
Bigay ang buhay na gusto mo at gusto ko. Bigay ang buhay na gusto mo at gagawin ko kahit ano. Gusto ko. Bigay ang buhay na gusto mo.
I vow to you, cherish you, hanggat ako'y humihinga, and so, Haruka Mirai, Murao Par, ang buhay na iyong pinapangarap at ating pangarap. Ikaw ang pinaka-best gift ng aking buhay. Kaya, kahit nakakapagod ang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang aking pahinga. Thank you, Lord. I love you.